All right, so I'm unboxing this fragrance right here. I just got from Saks Fifth Avenue. It is Mancera's Amore Caffe. For those who don't know, this is a hard to get fragrance in America. However, Saks Fifth just started carrying it, so I scooped it up immediately. I didn't wait at all. Unfortunately, they didn't have the big boy. They had the little one, so I am unboxing a 60 milliliter or a 2-ounce fragrance. There we go. So here's the box. I gotta say, I like it. It is very shiny. Feels, I don't know how to describe it. Like, it almost feels like a faux leather material, but not like actual leather. If that makes sense. Like, it doesn't feel like leather, but it feels like how leather can feel. That makes no sense. I'm sorry. Not starting off very well with this description. And I cannot even open it. There we go. Oof. Like, this is gonna be interesting if I like break the box. So just typical box, nothing special. But inside, and it was upside down, sorry, we got this little bag here. So it's kind of like a Montel. Montel and Mancera, they both come in bags like this. It's kind of nice. And there is the bottle. Again, I wish I could have gotten the big boy. Like, I wanted the big boy so bad. They didn't have it. And you know what? I need to smell this. So, oh well. If I like it, I'll get another one. If I can. All right, adjust the nozzle. And we will spray, spray, spray. There we go. Ooh, I can already smell it. It is powerful. So I don't know. I'm looking for a strong coffee fragrance. Like, I want an appealing, nose-punching coffee fragrance. And I always get asked what's my favorite coffee fragrance. And everyone keeps saying, have you smelled Amore Caffe? Have you smelled Amore Caffe? And I gotta say, this is really good. I really like it. Like, wow. Like, it's, I want to say we're more along the lines of like a sweet mocha coffee. So you have that creaminess. You have that nice little sweetness from like a chocolate. Now, is there chocolate in this? I have no idea. I have not looked up the notes. I never look up the notes. I like to smell it blind for the first time. I like to explore the fragrance first, and then I can look what's in the fragrance later. But I don't want to be influenced like, oh yeah, I can smell that violet leaf. No, you can't. You just read there's violet leaf in it. Don't make that up. I gotta say, it's a very nice coffee fragrance. Again, it's not potent. Like, I don't know. I don't want to smell like I dumped a pot of coffee on me, but I want to smell coffee. I want coffee. That's when people ask me what my favorite coffee fragrance is. I still say it's Salvatore Ferragamo Uomo Signature. It's a beautiful Italian fragrance, has great notes in it, and it smells like coffee. This could fight the Ferragamo. This is a good one. I don't know why my voice sounded like that. It was kind of like a squeaky, like a scoop. Or, oh my gosh, I can't even do it, Shaggy. Jeez. Zoinks. I like, oh, I'm going to stop. I'm just going to stop. I'm going to insult everybody and offend them. I'm done. I'm done. I do like it. I do like it. Now, performance, projection, longevity, sillage, all that good stuff. I have absolutely zero idea. I just sprayed it on a box. So this will definitely be one of those fragrances I will be wearing the next week or so, and I'll do a follow-up video giving you a heads up on what it smells like, you know, how long it lasts, how it performs. Everyone seems to love this fragrance that talks about it, so I get the appeal. It is a very appealing fragrance. I really like it, so we'll have to see. Again, I got the 2-ounce, so I wish I had the big boy, but oh well. I like this. I'm glad I was able to finally get it. So I'll wear it some more, and I'll talk more about it in the future. So this is Nub's Fragrance. Comment down below if you've smelled this fragrance and what your thoughts are, and if you even like the fragrance. So can't wait to hear everyone's opinions on this fragrance. Talk to you soon.